Hello, hello, hello. This is my daikon salad with bean sprouts and spinach. It's one of my favorites. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, followed by 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And then we're going to add in about a half teaspoon of salt, a little bit of cracked pepper, and 2 tablespoons of freshly ground sesame seeds. You want to toast these before grinding to get an extra nutty flavor. We're going to add in 1 clove of crushed garlic, mix up the dressing, and that is going to be ready to go. So now we're going to cut up the daikon into 1/4 inch thick slices and then sticks. So 1/4 inch sticks is going to be the final product. And we're going to go ahead and blanch this along with a half bunch of spinach, about 4 cups of moyashi or bean sprouts, and the daikon for about 2 minutes. And then once that's done, we're going to shock it with cold water. I like to use a few ice cubes to help make it colder faster. We're going to squeeze out the excess water. I have the strainer or the colander over a bowl to catch the excess water, and then we're going to mix it all with the dressing. So once it's done mixing, it's ready to serve, and your daikon bean sprout spinach salad is ready to eat.